Alrighty, so I'm Armando and here with my wife Dulce. Say hi, Dulce.
Hi, how are
And
you?
we are going to do a mock run through of my game. So, Dulce, what do you notice?
I notice a screen launch,
Okay, so how do you get
and
started?
you touch to start.
Perfect. So, game screen, what do you notice?
I notice you have to screen to play.
Okay,
I see my character. I see the miles per hour that I'm going, and I see how to launch.
okay,
And I see start and best.
perfect.
And the sensitivity slider.
Alright,
The recorder and how much money I earned.
perfect. Okay, so with all that information, so now that you know what you have,
So do I have to screen to play?
no, you don't have to scream. We're obviously this is just a mock, so to simulate screaming, we're just gonna adjust the sensitivity slider, which is the microphone sensitivity.
There it goes.
Alright, so you screened into the game, and now what do you notice?
I noticed the launch field gauge, so it's activated.
Okay,
And I see the miles per hour, the gauge is going up.
the
The
direction.
direction is going up.
Perfect.
And I'm starting.
Alright,
And
so
let's start. So I will adjust.
yep,
And notice that the background changed up in the air.
perfect.
So right now I'm currently in current between start and best.
Alright, distance wise.
Distance wise.
Okay,
Click on it again and a new best.
so what has happened to the character at this point?
It landed.
Okay, gotcha. And so what do you know? You said you got a new best. Is that what you just said?
It says new record.
Gotcha. And why do you have a new record?
Excuse me, it says because I'm past the best.
Perfect. All right. So now that you have this end screen, what are your three options?
I can retry the game. I can could get some multiplier bonuses, and then I can go to the store.
Okay. So what would you like to do?
Multiply bonus.
Perfect.
So
what do
I
you notice?
spin. I noticed like a reel,
Okay.
and I clicked it. So I got ×3. So I can watch an ad for 3 times for that.
And if you don't want to watch the ad, do you have an option?
Turn to game.
Perfect.
Um,
So go ahead and run through it again. Just hit the sensitivity slider 3 times.
okay.
So we can simulate the run through. And now that we're back at the same screen, would you like to go back to the multiplier bonus and add the bonus?
Sure.
Okay. No.
So I'd watch.
Yep.
So I'd win big money, ×3.
Perfect.
Then I can go to the store.
Yep. That's good.
So I see my current character, and I see upgrade skills. So I can upgrade to launch, speed, and blast.
Perfect. And what else?
And I see my other characters that I can buy.
Perfect. So for the mock of this, we're just going to only upgrade the launch.
Okay.
So let me know what you see.
So I see that the money was taken out, so out of my earned money.
Okay.
And it shows on my current character that I have 1 launch.
Perfect. Now the recorder. Would you like to record yourself playing this game?
Sure.
So go ahead and hit it.
Record.
All right.
And return back.
Perfect.
So I'm recorded now.
Right.
So screen to play.
Yep.
So I touch the sensitivity slider. The gauge is filled.
Okay. Go ahead. Now, what if mid-game, before you land, you don't want to play anymore? Or you don't like this run and you want to start again? What would you do?
I could retry.
Perfect.
And then stop recording.
And you want to stop recording? Go ahead. Perfect. All right, and that is all of them. Oh, that's pretty much all the features. So, Dulce, thank you for that. I really appreciate it.